So I'll start with some linear. Again, this might really be major review. If it hasn't been very long, it might be really easy review. Feel free to skip it if that's the case. You might want to peek really quick at what's going on with 2, 3, and 4 and see if you need a reminder. Otherwise, if you don't need linear, go ahead and move on and see what else is going on in this section. So for linear, looking at number 1, I don't see any mess. My variable, I do see it floating around on both sides, right? So really focus in on where your variable is. But it's not stuck in a fraction, it's not stuck under a root, it's not stuck in parentheses. Everything's just nice, neat terms. So really this is just a rearrange problem. So my first step is going to be to get all of my variables moved to one side of the equation and hopefully combined. And you can choose which side, that's entirely up to you. I'm going to go ahead and move the 3x over to the left. And the only reason I'm kind of liking the look of that is because then I get positive 5x instead of negative 5x. It's really not a big deal either way. Okay, so I moved my variables to one side. I was able to combine them. Now I get to go back to my reverse order of operations business. So x is being multiplied by 5, and then I'm subtracting 5. The first thing I need to do is get rid of the minus 5, so I will add 5 to both sides. And I get 5x equals 13. The last thing I need to do is divide both sides by 5. So I get x equals 13 over 5. And that's my answer. As always, good to practice checking. You don't have to do it for every single problem. You can check on answer keys. The computer will check for you. But practice that step so that you are ready to do it on an exam so you know if you messed up somewhere or not. Okay.